Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle weekly on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. Here we click on first step and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search about YesStyle. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.